Right, if you found your way to this video, you've unboxed your mortar gun, you've put it together, you've read the instructions from cover to cover, including all your mortar mixers, all safety instructions, and how to keep it clean. Now we're going to learn how to use it a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to allow air into the top of the gun here, and it's going to come straight out of this valve. 90% of the control comes via this valve. You do have a little bit of control on the trigger, but only a little bit, 10% at the most. You're really going to control it using this valve on top. I've already put a bit of mortar in. I've already pressured it up. Let's see how we work it. So, you open the valve, air's passing in through here, and it's coming out through the valve. We're going to tighten this valve up by turning it clockwise. That's slowly going to increase the pressure inside the bottle, and it's going to force mortar out of the nozzle here. So slowly tighten it, there you go. Now if you want to loosen it, it stops. If you want to tighten it, you're going. You might need to adjust this until you get used to the tool, because you might be moving too quick for delivery of mortar, or you might be moving too slow, in which case you need to adjust it by tightening it and loosening it. Once you get used to it, and once you've got your own routine going, you'll know how fast you need to go, and you'll know where that needs to be. You might adjust it a few times a day, and then you're off. Let's have a look.